Good afternoon, good afternoon. Thank you for joining Buddha Slots. Please like and subscribe. I am here at Choctaw Landing. I'm fixing to play the cats. The cats. Woohoo. So, let's see if we can get a little action on here. We're going to start with 100. And see what we can do from there. So wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Let's see. So I don't know if there's, yeah, I think we'll stick with the 1 cent. Oh, no. Okay, 1 cent. And let's see, I guess the max is $3. Okay, well there's a little start. Come on, kitties. Give us something good. I think we need those paws. Yeah, those. So that's a scatter, but I think if we'd gotten one more, we would have gotten into a bonus. Although that was a good one. Because that's 5 of kind of the J, $16. Pretty good, pretty good. Come on, kitty cats. $4. It's a winning one. Come on, don't waste the cat wilds. It'd be nice to get into a bonus so y'all can see the bonus. Got a scatter. $7.50. It's a good one. Okay. Come on, kitties. We want a bonus. Bonus or a full screen. I think of those black leopards. I think that's the highest paying symbol on here. Come on, kitty cats. Don't waste the wilds. So, if y'all have not been here to Choctaw Landing, you should check it out. It's a very nice place. Small, but nice. Very, very pretty. Great family destination. The Lake Beaver State Park is down the street in Broken Bow Lake. So I went by there this morning and it is just breathtaking. I'll add a few pictures at the end of this video for you guys to see. I don't do the water as far as getting in, but I love to look at it. So very, very nice. So if you're looking for a place that has those type of things to do outside of the casino, this would definitely be the place. Come on now, we need some action here. Come on. $6. Come on, kitties. We'd like to be in a bonus if you don't mind. So I wasn't filming last night at all times. I did do some, but I was on the other cat one down the way, and it did really well, but I was on a higher bet, I believe. Oh, see, you're wasting wilds. Don't waste the wilds. Come on, kitty kitties. Well, see, we needed 2 more paws. Okay, there's a decent. Give us a little something more to play with. 23 bucks. Come on, kitty kitties. Maybe it's gonna warm up here. Come on. Wish those 2 wilds were with a better symbol. Oh, here we go. Alright, $23. We will take it. That's what I want, is that bonus. Give me the bonus, please. We'll take a boat. Yes! You ask and you shall receive. Already, we're in it. Come on, guys. Press to start. Okay, here we go. Wish us luck. 5 free games. Come on. Alright. Pretty good start there. Come on. Keep getting better from there. Come on. No, don't waste. Don't waste my spins. No. Oh, wow. That was a chitty bonus. I mean, I wasn't betting a whole lot, but come on now. $26.60. At least we got back up. I guess we can look at it like that. Maybe it'll redeem itself and give us another one, or give us a good line hit maybe. Come on. Come on, kitty kitties. Come on, kitty kitties. Come on, kitties. Oh, we were almost in again. Come on. Ooh, just enough for one more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add one more, and we're gonna up it up a little bit. I think last night I was I think I was betting. I don't know what happened, but I lost you. So we'll resume. Come on. Come on. So we don't have enough. Okay, guys, look like that's about it there. They didn't want to give us anything. I guess it gave it to me last night. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. please like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Out. Choctaw Landing. Yay!
Red, what's it? Purple, green, and blue. I see.